I remember when there was no restriction in Pakistan and we used to hold our ijtimas. And at that time, when we would hold our ijtimas, we used to do camping. Every group or khadim will have their own tent, and then that tent is made of your bed sheets, not a proper tent as you find here. So with the help of the bed sheets, we used to erect our tents, right? And that was very special moment. Everyone was very much excited from very childhood. Even when we were atfal, we used to erect our tents. So we will know that now we have 3 days camping here, and we shall live in that premises where Ijtima is going to be held, and we used to live there. Ijtima was, the premises was also there, Ijtima Gah, and that was a very excited moment when every year we would wait for Ijtima so that we can do camping outside and enjoy our Ijtima. That was one of the moments which I liked very much.